So today we're going to talk about the weird stats on cleaning that we're seeing. There was a survey done that was asking if you clean on a daily basis.
Okay.
It turned out that 51% of women said that they do clean on a daily basis.
Okay.
20% of men.
I believe that. You know, us guys, we sometimes have a little bit lower standard of clean than the ladies do. What about you? You know, we got a man and a woman sitting here. How often do you clean? Do you clean daily?
Well, if you count the kitchen, yes,
Right.
I clean daily.
Well, that counts.
I do. You know, and I'll pick up some things here and there, but not like I don't vacuum every day.
Okay.
I don't do laundry every day.
You know, I have to say the same thing. You know, I do most of the cooking, and so I hit, you know, the kitchens daily. I'm washing dishes or something, and so I probably do clean daily. So I guess I'm on the not the majority of the guys out there.
Yeah.
So and I can bet you that's, you know, that 80% of guys that don't clean daily. I wonder how many of those are guys that live by themselves and that place is just an absolute wreck.
A lot of college kids.
Yeah, I was thinking back when I was in college, we may or may not have one time washed dishes with the shower head in the shower because there were so many dirty dishes. One of the stats I saw that was kind of weird is 80% of the women that responded said that cleaning the floors, like vacuuming, was their number one priority for cleaning the house. Like if the floors were vacuumed, they were that was their house was clean to them.
Well, you know, I can understand that.
But I don't
ain't
agree.
Me. It's not me. It's not me.
Yeah, the kitchen's my first go-to because, you know, the kitchen, you know, you're eating stuff that you prepare in there. You're actually putting that stuff in your body, cleaning the counters, making sure that's all,
And
you know,
that's
like
important.
it should be.
Yeah.
That's me. But, you know, floors, I can see that. If I walk across a floor barefoot and step on something, it's like, oh, God, I've got to do the floors right now. When my wife and I got married 20-some-odd years ago, both of us hated laundry and hated dishes because they never seem to end, right? You're always doing them.
So did you like roll dice or flip a quarter?
No, we just eventually decided since I cook, I do the dishes,
Okay.
and then she takes care of the laundry. And we've tried swapping at some point. It didn't work out.
Nobody was happy.
Well, you know, she washes the dishes and she puts stuff away. And then as the cook, I don't know where stuff went. And I get ticked off because I can't find stuff. I need to cook the dinner. And thanks for watching this episode of the OdoShow on YouTube.
And if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so that you always have a notification of when we're on.
We're kicking out great cleaning content all the time. So until next time, make life fresh.